This is a really popular trend in home construction and ownership. Today's modern off-site built homes offer people who want to buy a brand new home some really great lifestyle and design choices. So we checked out some Champion homes. Sure enough, they're off-site, built, delivered, and ready to move in. American home ownership is a big part of the American dream, and one leading U.S. home builder is helping make that dream a reality.
We like to say that Champion Homes offers a smarter way home because we build an unmatched range of modern, new construction homes that are available across the nation. Whether people are in the market for an entry-level home, looking to scale up for a growing family, or planning to downsize, our off-site construction method and our commitment to the home buyer's experience makes home ownership attainable and easy.
I chose the model, but I did not know that you could choose paint colors, beam colors, countertop colors. I loved being able to have the option to choose what I wanted for my home. I was most surprised on how easy it was. I really thought it was going to be a ton for me going back and forth, a lot of paperwork, a lot of stress, a lot of up in the air. Am I going to be able to do this? I'm not going to be able to do this, but y'all made it incredibly easy, and I felt like I barely had to do anything.
We're standing in a modern home design we call the Olivia. If you're interested in checking out the details of this home, you can find it on our website. At Champion, we design and build the kind of inviting, attractive, functional spaces that people are happy to come home to again and again. We apply this philosophy to everything we build, from trendy tiny homes to spacious multi-story homes and everything in between. The Olivia is a 3-bed, 3-bath home, almost 2,500 square feet. Right when you walk in, it is an open concept. We have a den area that's perfect for work from home.
With the accent wall, the ceiling fan, this huge window. I mean, if you work from home, this is going to be
right. This looks awesome.
So this floor plan is really unique. So you'll even have a couple of sitting spaces. Your creativity will shine in this home.
As you walk through, you step into the chef's kitchen.
Right here, we got to dining steaks.
Big island, for sure.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Charcuterie boards and let's. Yes, very, very modern in here.
We have stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. We have a huge island with a farmhouse sink. It is an open concept. We're bringing the outdoor living in. The primary suite is exceptional.
Wow.
Yeah, so first impressions, I mean, it's a huge primary bedroom. Yeah.
You got access to that side?
Exactly. First thing you do when you wake up,
right.
Coffee, head right outside.
I could see myself spending a lot of time right there.
Yeah.
We have a spa-like bath. We have a mosaic tile shower with the rainfall shower head, and the primary closet is incredibly spacious.
Never ending.
Yeah, so we have a steel-on tub, 2 large windows, dual vanity, that black modern hardware, and the shower, mosaic tile with a rainfall shower head.
Love it.
Champion's key advantages for home buyers are shorter build times, greater availability, and better value per square foot. We can deliver these benefits because our innovative offsite construction process allows us to make the most sustainable and efficient use of resources.
They empower home buyers with choices by providing a variety of floor plan options and curated styles, thus ensuring there are homes for every taste. Off-site built homes offer outstanding advantages that homeowners are talking about.
That was one of the deciding factors for me, was the square foot cost was substantially less, and we still get all the same benefits. It was a no-brainer for us to go with the manufactured home.
Every Champion home begins with high-quality materials. We have 48 manufacturing centers across the nation, each with a dedicated workforce that specialize in all the building trades that go into constructing a new home. Having our skilled trades under one roof saves consumers the subcontracting headaches that can often go along with the new construction. Another benefit of our home building process is that construction can take place while the home site is being prepared, which greatly improves time to completion.
Champion homes are built indoors, sheltered from the elements, arriving on site a full 80 to 90% complete. The advantage? Reduced material exposure to sun, wind, rain, snow, whatever Mother Nature can throw during standard on-site building, along with the impact weather can have on traditional on-site built homes, affecting integrity and materials. Champion Homes also enjoys greater freedom from construction delays. That's a win-win for all.
The Champion home buying process can start in the comfort of your own home. By visiting our website, home shoppers can find homes and retailers available in their area. The next step is to visit the retailer, who will be the home shopper's partner throughout the entire process. They help guide them through selecting options, site preparation, and all the steps leading to the completion of a home. We build for a variety of scenarios, but the majority of what we do, our process allows us to be significantly faster than the site-built alternative. We have designs that are perfect for growing families, as well as homes that are just right for the first-time home buyers and those looking to downsize. They range from 399 square feet to over 2,000 like the model we're in today. We know that a home is something that needs to be just right. That's why we curate a selection of decors to match the tastes of a wide range of homeowners. Our homes appeal to buyers who are looking for smart value without sacrificing style, quality, or functionality. Champion Homes can be found in subdivisions and communities across the nation. We provide an affordable, stylish home buying option nationwide.
Champion Homes' off-site construction method and commitment to the home buyer's experience makes home ownership attainable and easy. For more information on how to benefit from the finest in off-site built home construction, visit championhomes.com. And of course, you can always visit designingspaces.tv.